If you're using social media every day, you probably already know how beneficial it can be for your brand or business to use social media. According to Statista.com, 81% of the US population have social media accounts, and that's just in the United States. One of the easiest ways to grow your brand on social media is to post and create awesome content relevant towards your brand or business. Solopreneurs and entrepreneurs who are just starting their business with a small budget typically start promoting their brand on social media. They start with social media because it's free most of the time and they see value in it. But please keep in mind, most people who are using it to leverage their brand are using it wrong. They're using it wrong. You may often see people spam instead of giving value. If you want to grow your following organically, think about giving value to your target audience first and build a rapport after that. Do not go spamming your music, service, or product to people without looking to give something first. You can build your audience organically when you create free content and incorporate your brand without doing any hard selling or promoting. This is often referred to as content marketing. Another way to leverage social media is to engage on pages, groups, and post for communities you want to be a part of. Leave comments, make engaging posts, ask relevant questions that create conversation. Please keep in mind though that this strategy that I'm sharing with you typically applies to personal brands and solopreneurs, but it can also be effective for small businesses and small business pages as well. But with that being said, you want to make sure that you always speak to people who are in your target audience, okay? That's very important. Do not always promote to everybody. So with that being said, why hasn't social media worked for you yet? There's probably 5 reasons for this. 1, you're not really sure how to create content and leverage social media. 2, you know it's important to leverage social media, but you aren't always passionate about social media marketing. You mainly just want to focus on your business and building your brand, which is completely understandable, okay? Completely understandable. 3, you aren't being patient enough. 4, you are probably really busy working and dealing with your family along with other personal things. 5, most importantly, you don't post regularly. Make sure that you post regularly on all your social media platforms that you are building your brand off of. I repeat, post on a regular basis. It's no joke, guys. If you don't have the time to post regularly for whatever reason, you need to outsource it or automate it. It's not that expensive either, okay? Keep that in mind as well. Make sure that you are visiting jeremiahvega.com if this applies to you, okay? Very important stuff here. Go to jeremiahvega.com and check out our social media services. You can also give us a call at 704-210-24888. We manage your social media. We create landing pages. We can do lead generating for you if you are in a B2B market. We can do all types of cool stuff. So make sure that you go to jeremiahvega.com, click on the services that best applies to you and that you're most interested in, and we will be able to speak and we'll be able to work around your budget and develop your audience for you so you can focus on what is more important to you. All right.